Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your app store stucks on loading. So guys, if you are trying to open your app store but it stucks on loading and you are unable to download apps from your app store, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device and tap on your profile and scroll it below all the way and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So guys, sign out your Apple ID for one time, and after this you have to restart your device again, and after this sign in your Apple ID again in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings in your device again and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.